In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp dashboard widget that shows changes over time. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to arrange your dashboard so those time-based insights are front and center and easy to read. First, head to the overview area in your team space or your workspace's overview. This is the high-level home for your most important information. Think of it as your command center. It's where dashboards live and where you'll surface the trends and patterns that matter to your team. If your workspace has multiple spaces, make sure you're in the one that holds the data you want to monitor so the dashboard reflects the right work. Next, open the View menu. The View selector is your doorway to different ways of seeing the same information. List, board, calendar, and dashboard each highlight different aspects of your work. Since we're focusing on changes over time, the dashboard view is the place to be because it brings together widgets that can visualize trends and progress clearly. Now, switch to the dashboard. This shifts your screen into a layout made up of modular widgets. Here's the key idea. A dashboard is most useful when it tells a story over time. How many tasks were completed week by week, how status is evolved, or how workloads trend. When you're on the dashboard, you'll see a grid where widgets can be placed, resized, and arranged so your time-based visuals are easy to scan. Even if your dashboard already has widgets, you can make it work harder for you by reorganizing what you see. From here, customize your widget layout by dragging widgets to new positions and resizing them. Use the drag handle to move a widget up or down the grid and grab the corners to make it wider or taller. Time-based charts benefit from horizontal space, so give trend or timeline widgets extra width to reveal more data points without clutter. Place your most important changes over time widget at the top, so it's the first thing you see. Keep related widgets grouped together, progress over time beside workload trends, for example, so context is always a glance away. As you adjust the layout, aim for a clear reading order from left to right and top to bottom, which makes it easier for teammates to follow the story of your data. Your changes update right away, so you can quickly iterate until the dashboard feels balanced and readable. That's it. You navigated to Overview, opened the View menu, switched to Dashboard, and refined the layout by dragging and resizing widgets to spotlight changes over time. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner, more insightful ClickUp dashboard.